Helen here. Just wanted to show you the progress on my spare bedroom. I'm going to do as a craft room. And let's enter this room. And it's a work in progress, so please understand I'm still trying to organize. This is a small room, so I have all kinds of stuff that I need to put away. I have this cart here that I can use. Behind my tapestry here against the wall is my big huge cardboard like Tolly has, that has my drawings in it, my unfinished drawings and finished drawings. So let's just go along the wall. Here I have my drills that go to my drawings, and then underneath here are art dot drills that are in baggies, so when I need them I can just pull out the box and go for it. This is a diamond painting that I was working on, that was Dreamer's designed. I put it away because it was irritating me. This here is my temperature chart that I'm working on. And down here I got some stuff organized. I got a light pad down there. I got my Add More Zest tote bag down there. Some empty Elizabeth Wards, my baby's bed, a drafting table. This is the temperature chart that I am working on. Here's a sneak peek at what I finished so far for January. And underneath is a drawing that I was working on that I put it away. Let's see if I can show you. It is, of course, a lighthouse, but it's been irritating me, so I'm taking a break. And like I said, I got a big old mess going on here. Pictures of my kids when they were little, a diamond painting, an art dot, the kit that had, I think, got 12 pack that I haven't did nothing with, cart that's all messed up that I need to organize. Same thing here. I got some stuff organized, some stuff I don't. I have matching shelves. Here's one of them. It's got a cabinet down there with 2 shelves and then the 3 shelves. These are drawings that I have not kitted up or I have not taken out and put away to flatten them out. That's what that cardboard thing is that Tolly showed you. If you don't want to leave them like this, which I probably won't because as you see I don't have a lot of room. Art dot drills. That is kitted up with art dot drills for heaven and earth. I don't even know what's all up there. That's why I'm working on it. This is my big cabinet with the table. So let me work around here so I can show it to you. Somewhat organized. There is my table. That does all slide in. Closed cabinet. I got a sewing machine under there and craft stuff. Let's move my chair in. And then over on this side, the exact same cabinet. I actually got these shelves a little bit more organized and stuff like that. More art dot drills, Christmas canvas back there, and toys. And then I have a little tiny shelf here that has some stuff on it. Like I said, I'm just starting to figure this out. Well, my daughter, my son, both of my sons, my nephews, and my niece, when they were all little, they don't look like that now. And these are all my pens, spare tips and stuff like that. Don't mind that bag. And yeah, that's my spare bedroom that I'm trying to make into a craft room. And it is not very big at all. It is a big work in progress. Hopefully it won't take me that long. And then if we walk out into the hallway, you can see more pictures, more diamond paintings. And then this is my work area where I usually work. The spare bedroom is for kitten up, kitten down videos. So this here is actually a puzzle table that fits a 2,000 piece puzzle. So it has 2 drawers like this on each side, which helps out because right there is my pens. As you see, I got Sag, my new ones for Christmas, drills that I couldn't kit up. My drawing that I will be working on starting on February 1st is a Heaven and Earth drawing, and I have all kitted up and ready to go. I work out of these trays. Let me move my chair so you can see. There is 99 trays there. I didn't kit up all 99. I think there's only 86 colors. These are Elizabeth Ward's that are kitted up with for my drawings, but I haven't got to those yet. And in the drawers over there are spare drills that are from Diamond USA. And yeah, that's my work area in the living room and my work area in the craft room. Hi everybody, Helen here. I finished my craft room. It's not a spare bedroom anymore. So I just wanted to show you the results. So this I'll show you in a minute. And I got everything nice and organized, empty containers, temperature chart sitting on my desk, dresser's all nice and clean, has some of my light pads sitting up there, but I got everything organized. This stuff here is just for filming, just sitting there temporarily. But I got everything pretty much organized. A few little other odds and ends I want to get. There's another light pad. But there's just some of it. I do want to ask anybody's opinion on getting some more organizations going for small spaces. Like these are art dot drills that I bagged up so I didn't have to go through the boxes and find the ones. This is a drawing that's kitted up that I was doing and put away. There's more kit up, so all I have to do is open these boxes and go to the number I need. They are squares. Down there are the drills 2 drawings that are up there and in the cardboard. Down here is where I need the organization going on. Those are all drills for drawings 2 that need to be cleaned up and put away. I don't want to kit them all up, so I just have to figure out how to organize that. And then when I go into here, still need a little bit of organizing, but not much. There's my table. There's a light there for giving me some more light in my room. And there are my portfolios with drawings that are done and not done. My case, these are the art dot drills that I haven't put in there. My washi tape, all my glues, sealers, spare drills and drills for drawings, for bottles, funnels, all that stuff. And then down here, I have this down here done, which them are all kitted ups. Them are all kitted ups or overflow from kit ups. And then I have more stuff for using for filming. But yeah, my baby girls, one of my granddaughter's toys. And then that. Here's all my trays that are from Dreamers Designs and spare trays I got through the other drawings. Stuff like that. Art dot trays. So yeah, that's how I got it organized so far. But yeah, if anybody has any ideas, any at all, to help with small spaces, more ideas to help make stuff more compact and organized, yeah, just let me know. And if you give me a minute, I can get out that big piece of cardboard that goes from there to there and down. And there's my little baby. He finally decided to make an appearance. So give me 1 minute and we'll get that done. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and say goodbye because it's going to take me longer than a minute to get that organized. I'm going to say goodbye, and please leave any comments, anything to help me get more organization going on in here. It would be greatly appreciated. Thank you. Bye.